right, fellas. I just want to give you guys a bit of an update here, and I hope you guys had a wonderful day, made some really good trades as per usual. But yeah, I'm pretty tired, but I want to keep going here and give you guys an update on what the markets are doing before I head to bed. So we had this relief rally finally, um, and we came back down, sweep the lows, and then rallied extremely hard, basically nonstop from Monday all the way to now we're Wednesday, Thursday now, and yeah, and to me like the short area was invalidated, but we actually entered a nice little trade at the right time. We actually let me just show you guys. We entered in Discord. We entered right around 100,338, and we nailed that short. So right now we're in the money on our position. But what we want to see is follow through towards the downside. Now, we need to look at that 4 hour cycle to see if the 4 hour cycle is going to break. It already looks like it is breaking here, but I wouldn't be surprised if you came back up and retested this as resistance. So maybe even making one more high, but staying below 102,700, and then ultimately coming back down and losing a lot of those gains. The stock market rallied extremely hard today on CPI news, and that's what I was warning about yesterday inside the Discord. I was telling you guys that we got to be wary for trying to short these levels here, because I didn't feel confident shorting up here, but I feel much more confident shorting up here now. We're also hitting that 7 hour RSI band resistance. At the same time, we hit that support rally. Now we're hitting the resistance. Now it's probably time to start shorting, right? So again, we're going to take that trade and see how it plays out. Again, you guys can join the Discord, get access to my trades in real time. You can see that 4 hour time frame. Even though we got this tremendous rally here, we didn't get that much green money flow coming back in, and now we're creating another red dot here. We'll have to see if it starts to roll over. That 1 hour time frame still in that thick green money flow. So that's why I reiterate that we could still make one more high, maybe come up to 101,000, and then start to come down later on. But we'll see how this plays out, okay? And then finally, we'll take a look at wave edge here. And wave edge, actually, before I continue on wave edge, I forgot to cover the larger time frame. So you can see that B wave here rallied. Sorry, not this B wave, but this this candle here rallied very hard, and we had like a -5 and a 16 on the dual band strength index. We now have an even more bullish candle with a -5 and a 17 on the dual band strength index. So the daily is still bullish. The weekly is still bearish, but not as bearish as it was at the beginning of the week due to this rally. And then we take a look here at the 12 hour. The 12 hour is also very bullish. Actually, I burped there. Historically speaking, when I burp, it becomes bullish. Those bullish burps. And then finally, the daily. So we'll start off on wave edge, and we'll start off with the daily. Nothing new there. 12 hour, nothing new. 4 hour time frame, nothing actually surprisingly here. Not even any selling. Only selling is like on the 3 hour. And that's basically right where we're shorting. We're in the money now, and then the 1 hour time frame, you're getting some selling pressure at the moment as well. So let's see what the news is going to be tomorrow. I don't think there's that much news coming out for the stock market, so it might be a sideways price action day, or actually a gentle float up, right? Maybe take out these highs again, but then ultimately roll over later on. So yeah, that's my analysis. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Just want to give you guys a bit of an update. Ultimately, I still think that we could be coming down to these levels here, but don't get caught up in the short-term price action. You want to make sure that you are focused on the bigger picture, and the bigger picture is that if you're not a trader and you're not looking to make these small little trades here and there along the way before the big move happens, then you should just be invested and just hold in and look at the bigger swings, because now you're buying into a wave 2, which is your dip buy opportunities for a ultimate rally to come later on. So if you're not a trader and you're trying to top tick and all these things, trust me, you're not going to get it done unless you're inside the Discord. You can catch those trade signals in real time. But again, we always take profits on our trades. It's not always buy and hold forever, because we're swinging the market. So Anyways, that's just my tidbit. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.